You're welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make oatmeal. This oatmeal is just like making pap, but the difference is that instead of using corn, we are going to be using oats. So this is a fun way to make your pap, and it's quite nutritious and delicious for your family. You can make this recipe and share with your friends and your loved ones. What we are going to be making use of is our quaker oats, which you can get from your local store. We are using the white oats. As you can see, it's 500 grams. Then we are going to be making use of powdered milk, which you can get any powdered milk from your local store, and margarine or butter to give it taste, and your sugar. Then we are going to be adding a pinch of salt, little pinch of salt to it, just to bring out a very good, nice taste. So yeah, we are going to be pouring water, the quantity of water that we know we would like to make for the oatmeal. Then next, I'm going to be pouring in my oatmeal into the water. So make sure that the quantity of water there is more than the oatmeal you are going to be pouring. So just watch me as I make mine. You can see that the quantity of water is quite much than the oatmeal I poured inside. So you just mix it and dissolve it into the water. You can see that the water is above the oatmeal. This is how it's supposed to be. Then next up, I'm going to be pouring in my butter or margarine, anyone you can get from your local store, just to give it a very good, nice flavor. You can see I'm using half spoon. Any quantity you like, just make sure that you have enough and pour it in. It will get dissolved, don't worry. Once we start cooking, it will get dissolved. So the water I'm using is cold water. Please don't make the mistake of pouring in hot water. It's just like you making your pap. You don't use hot water when you're making pap, you know. You mix it, dissolve it with cold water first. So that's what I'm doing. I poured in my sugar, and the pinch of salt I poured in. Don't forget the pinch of salt, so that it won't just be like sugar taste. It will be too sugary. The salt makes the sugar, have a good flavor in the oatmeal. So next up, I'm just going to be stirring it. I haven't added my milk yet. Don't worry. We are going to add milk at the later part of the video. So you guys should just keep on watching. So I have on my cooker now, and the cooker is heating up the oatmeal right now. But the water has not yet getting hot. Since we are using cold water. So once the water starts heating up, you just know that your oatmeal will just start thickening up. You guys are going to watch it. I'm going to set the video, so you guys are going to be seeing everything about how the oatmeal is just going to get thickened up and look very yummy. Guys, just keep on watching, because all I'm just going to be doing is stirring the oatmeal so that it doesn't get burnt at the bottom of the pot. Since the oatmeal is resting at the bottom of the pot right now, since it's cool, you just make sure you stir and continue stirring so that it doesn't get burnt. If you don't stir, it will get burnt. So just watch what I'm doing right now. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe so that I'll keep on uploading more and more video for you guys. Please and please and please subscribe to my channel, like my video, give my video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you have tried another method, if there's another method of making oatmeal, anyone you want me to experiment on, just leave a comment down below and I will be so happy to review them. I'm going to give you a good reply, you know, if you are going to try this at home, and if you have tried it and how it worked out for you, please leave a comment down below for me. I'll be so happy. And don't forget, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that anytime I post videos, you're going to watch it. My contents are very good, so please give it a thumb up. So now you can see that the water is now like thickening up the oatmeal. I'm just going to be stirring it and make sure that my butter melts into the oatmeal. So that's practically it, guys. You can see it thickening. So it depends on the amount of thickness you want the oatmeal to have. That's the quantity of water you pour in. So like me, I don't like it that too thick. I want it to be like a pap like, you know, not too thick, not cheese like, you know, but and not watery anyway, but just normal consistent. So just watch me, guys, watch the way I'm making mine and follow it up step by step, and you're going to be able to make an oatmeal at home. So instead of people telling you, oh, do you know how to make quaker, just tell them, go and watch Osa's video. Show them my channel to watch the video of how to make a proper oatmeal at home. So yeah, guys, it's already thick enough for me, and this is what I want, because the more you leave it on your gas, the more it gets thicker and it tends to like start burning at the bottom of the pot. So I think it's better I remove it. I'm going to place it on my bowl right now. Oh god, you can see the steam coming out. So I'm pouring it now into my bowl. Yeah, you can see how thick it is as it's getting into the bowl. So like this, people don't drink it like this, but I love to add my milk now. You can see. So if you leave it like this, it just start thickening up. So yeah, I'm just going to pour my milk now, and the consistency will change immediately you pour the milk, and mix it. So this might make 2 tablespoons of milk because I want it to be rich. Guys, wash it. So you can see, guys, once you start mixing it up, the cheese-like formation that was about to form at the top of the oatmeal will melt, and the oatmeal will start having this watery consistent like pap. As you can see now, see, I'm taking it in. You can see, guys, I didn't add water after this. Look at the way it is. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So guys, try this at home. This is yummy, yummy, yummy.